Hey there coder, welcome back to API Coder. In this project, I have created a remote desktop control using Django and Python and PAutoGUI library. So without wasting any time, I'll showcase about this project and tell you that how we can control the notepad, how we can control the desktop, how we can control the camera, we can open the camera, close the camera, how we can open the notepad. So just let's see. So Python manage.py run server, I'll start the server. So boom, the server is started. So I'll follow the link. So you can see this is the web interface where we are controlling the desktop camera. So this is the, if we click, so it's a home page. We can open the camera, we can close the camera, and it's a navbar. You can see it's a navbar cmd execution. We can also execute a cmd command while clicking here. So it's a cmd execution, so we can also enter the command like cd and execute the command with the help of Django, and we'll do the ls. No, ls will not work because it's a cmd. So here's a button for opening the notepad. So when I click, so directly we can open the Windows notepad, and we can know the IP configuration, so we can also know our computer IP with the help of Django. When we are getting all the information remotely via Django. So when I click to the IP configuration, so you can see here is IPs of our computer and our network. Go back, and we can also know the text uses. We can also do the system shutdown with the Django remotely. So I'll know the text uses. So it's loading. You can see it's a text size and the caption, phrase space, and size. And guys, a very good thing that we can create a file with the help of Django web application. We can create a file in our computer. So when I click to the create a file, it's asking me to enter the name of file to create. So what I will do, I'll just give a name of file, hello.txt, and click the OK. So now the file is created successfully. So how will I know that our file is created successfully? I'll go in my directory where I'm working, where I'm using. So you can see this is the hello.txt is created. So now what I will do, without deleting manually, what I will go, I will just go to the web interface with the Django and delete the file. So it is asking me to delete the file. So what I will do, I will enter of those file which I want to delete. So I will just enter hello.txt. So you can see when I click to the OK, it will be disappear from here. You can see it's automatically disappear. And again I'll go, and we can also, in the same way, we can create a directory. We can create a directory and also delete the directory. And from the web interface, we can also open Microsoft Word. So when I click the start Microsoft Word, so you can see the word Microsoft 365 is started. And the running process, so we can know the list running process. When I click, so it is telling me the which process and application is running in the background. So we can know that this all the things is working in our computer. So now what I will do, I'll just show you the one thing, that how we can control the desktop camera. So you can see when I click to open the camera, so automatically it will open camera. So you can see, and also, so you can see that the camera is open. So I will not cut from here. What I will do, I'll just go from the web, and I will just close from here. So you can see that when the camera is open, so we are getting a successful successful message that camera opened successfully. So what I will do, I'll just, you can see the camera icon, and now when I click to the close camera, yes, you can see the camera is closed successfully. Guys, one thing I would like to show, that notepad. So we can also control the notepad, we can also control the desktop notepad controller. So whatever text I will write in the box, whatever each and every word and anything, whatever I write, so what it will automate the notepad. when desktop notepad. So let's see live. So hello, what are you doing, man? And after writing text, what we have a two option, we have a do button. When that we want to save this text in our notepad, or we want to close after writing. So now what I will do, I'll just click the close notepad after writing, and I will execute this function. So you can see guys, automatically it's writing that hello, what are you doing, and after written, and it will wait for 1 minute, sorry, 1 second, and close successfully. So now here you can see notepad open and text written successfully. Again I will write welcome to a PY tutor, and I will save after writing. No, just leave empty anything. So you can see guys, automatically notepad is open and it is automatically writing welcome to API code. Don't save. So guys, you can see it's very responsive. You can also uh, control desktop via mobile. We can also just run this application via mobile, and you can control also with the help of smartphone. I hope you like this project, so make sure to hit and like the subscribe button.